Welcome to Quick Finance, Jacob. Today we have some upkeep and a quick video on definitely Ripple and a few other topics as well. So let's get going. Is Ripple an option for central bank digital currencies while the SEC lawsuit lingers? This article is kind of skeptical of why Ripple released their document on the future of central bank digital currencies in the future. I could definitely see there be some timing, try to be some PR, but definitely recommend whether you like Ripple or not, whether you think Ripple will go boom or bust. This actually is a good document to read. I definitely would recommend reading it. It's a good overview going into the future, because with or without Ripple, whether you like it or not, a lot of currencies will go into the digital universe. Less and less paper. We've seen over the past few decades more and more digital transactions, and digital currencies, cryptocurrencies are going to be a huge part of our financial systems going into the future. Now, in response to the SEC lawsuit, a lot of XRP holders like myself are trying to sue the SEC as well, which is a little ironic if you ask me, that they're saying this lawsuit would create an avalanche of claims and undue delay, complexity, and confusion, which is, ironic given the SEC, why the SEC sued XRP, but, who am I to say anything? So they're definitely against the lawsuits against themselves. Of course they are. Of course they are. A quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin the past 3 months has definitely stayed above the 50 moving average, which, we'll see if this keeps going or not. But, I think Bitcoin's still a good investment this year. I think it will reach 100,000 by the end of the year. I stand by that prediction. However, at this point, we're talking about only doubling our money, which you'd think would be good, but you know what's coming next. You know what's coming next. We see Ripple consolidating despite the lawsuit, despite the third network, despite the nonstop coverage of Bitcoin, drawing all the attention in the media. Still consolidating, and I definitely expect Ripple to, once the lawsuit is over, whether it's in a week, end of the year, I expect it to explode past this price. So Bitcoin doubling, it's not bad. If this didn't exist, I definitely would invest more in Bitcoin, but I see this, and I know the lawsuit, and I'm 95% confident that it's going to end in a favorable terms for Ripple. We see this. We see the way the world's going. The central bank digital currencies. We see Ripple talking to all the major central banks, hundreds of financial institutions and banks. They have all the infrastructure already laid out. They're just waiting for the lawsuit to get over and maybe for their calluses. And we could easily see, in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, but in my opinion, what I'm expecting is Ripple to go up to the $5 range at least, $6 range, $10, $15 range. So people are predicting higher, which I don't see happening, but I can definitely see $5 to $15 this market cycle by the next few years. Now the game plan for how I'm going to sell, take profits on the way up, which I'll get to in a later video. But here's some interesting charts on XRP. XRPcharts, See, I need to update my browser. We have some cool charts looking for XRP. Maybe XRP accounts by top. So pretty interesting. We see a top 1%. How about 3,000 XRP or more. They dropped off a little bit, dropping off. It looks like, but the top 0.01%. Looks like they're getting more and more. It seems like so. We have to ask ourselves, why are they getting more? Why? That's saying something. That's saying something. And we see them stabilizing a lot too. Like it didn't really go up. Like look at this, up to 24, 22. Not that big of a deal, really. So yeah, it looks like the top. This is where the real money's gonna be made at. I think we'll see what happens, but I definitely see a lot of potential here. Anyway, this was a quick Fried Chicken video. We had a quick update. I definitely expect my life to be pretty busy next month or two or so, but I definitely want to in the summer get going with more and more videos. So anyway, we'll see you next time. Thank you.